Hey, my wife not already threatening me.
My phone is hot.
Say for 1 week I go sleep outside though. If I don't organize the food though. I beg go. I'm setting a hand on my leg. So let me.
Why do I feel like blindfolded?
No.
Allow me to die before you bury me now. Hey!
Flow in this place.
No, this is Eba. This soup not be my wife's soup. My wife has been try. She's good. Yeah, she's good. And it's her fishy soup. Top notch. I give her her stew very sweet. Her jollof rice. Oh my god.
She's blushing.
I don't think I like cooking stew like that.
Mother, she just scatter my head.
Wow.
At least I'm interested. You just don't add flesh now, unlike me.
You know pepper is life, right? Anything I'm cooking that there's no pepper inside, you don't know what that is.
Actually, I will try my best. You know, I may not be 100% accurate, but
You're 100%.
15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Jesus Christ.
okay, we are Mr. and Mrs. Caleb and Stephanie. That's her name. I'm Caleb by name. She's Stephanie, my beautiful wife.
Okay.
I don't like cooking stew.
We actually know how to
Why not?
blend. So you not go through the process of blending.
Stew. You know pepper is life, right?
Even if I don't know. I will have to believe whatever you say. You have the floor.
I prefer carrot stew.
You've heard from your husband. He has confirmed that you are a good chef, a perfect chef. So I want to really ask.
Yeah.
Your wife has not been saying anything, and I like that. I want to still ask. So are you trying to say that if we put out 3, 4, 5 different dishes on the table, you can actually taste and tell us which is made by your wife?
That's serious challenge. Actually, I will try my best. You know, I may not be 100% accurate.
You have to be 100%.
You mean the same meal?
No, not necessarily the same meal.
Okay.
Different
meal.
You have to taste it.
I know the one my wife is. My wife.
See, I know him. Eh?
Okay.
He may not be able to detect it. Do you know why? There are people who are meticulous in certain things, who they pay attention to details. Food is not one of the things my babe pay attention to. That's why he can eat anything. It's very shocking to me. I'm like, how can he eat anything? Like me, I know what I want to eat in the morning, I know what I want to eat in the afternoon, and I know what I want to eat in the night. Like I'm like that. So if I tell you I want to eat this particular thing in the afternoon, if you give me something else, I won't be able to eat it. But he's not like that. Any dish you bring on his front, like he eat it. He doesn't even mind. He just consume everything. Like he has a very good appetite. I'm jealous of his appetite.
Okay. So what you're trying to say is you're not going to feel bad if your husband cannot identify your food.
I'll strangle him when we get to
My God, this is not your. Okay. Thank you very much. Without looking at your wife, I want you to send a message to your wife. That message that's in your mind. Appreciate her cooking. Appreciate all the sweet dishes she's been bringing to you. Like you said, you don't be fat. We want to hear you say it like appreciate your wife.
Okay, I want to say a very big thank you to my darling, my sugar. I call her my sugar, my answered prayer, my first blessing. You know, I call her my destiny helper also. Like since she entered my life, my destiny has direction and shape. You know that moment there's what we call structure. You know, she came into my life and my life's structured. There is this structure in my life to start having and all that. So she has been wonderful meals for me. And I love the way she served me. She served me with honor and respect. No be say a woman will give you food, but there's a way a woman will serve you dishes with honor and respect that comes with it, and that is what I love so much. I love the food. I love the way she serves me, the way she gives me that food with honor that I eat. Like, wow, it's good to be married. Those who never marry, they don't know they miss. So I tell you, they say they marry, they don't agree. That one concern them. I'm really enjoying my life. I'm really enjoying my life with her. It has been a sweet journey so far. Okay. How about the pepper? The food we serve is sweet, delicious, tasty. Now, that's what we were talking about today, about what men actually want from women. I told her that the men gender, we don't actually want your money. All we want is just the respect and honor you give to us. Now, when you serve a man food, like I have seen some in some marriages where the man say, I need my food. The wife will go call the man. The man say, Chinenye, go and bring the food for your guy. I was like, how on earth, me, man of the house, men will serve me when my wife is sitting there pressing food and watching television. That man go collect your position.
Are you ready?
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, blindfolded. And
hey.
She took her time and she prepared the food very well.
Wow.
So that you can actually recognize it.
Hell.
I hope it's not seen. I actually gave it to blindfolded. No, you wouldn't know.
Don't kill me, oh.
On your table, you have 2 plates of rice and stew, and a plate of oha soup and gari. So it's going to guide your hand to the rice. You're testing the first plate. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, guide your husband, guide him to the spoon.
Okay.
The rice and stew is in the same plate.
Okay, are together.
Yeah, help him mix it up.
These two. Okay. I can take. That's the meat. I don't catch the meat.
Yes.
To the rice.
Yes.
Okay.
Same rice.
Okay.
We are mixing it.
Okay.
Wait, mix it well.
How would you know if you fix it this way? You have to direct it.
Oh yeah, take it.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Leave the meat. Can I eat the meat too?
Oh yeah. If you did not recognize my yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, keep it. This is water for the back.
Okay. Am I good to go?
Yes.
This is about soft too. No, this is about. This soup, not my wife's soup.
I used to enjoy your soup.
No, I know this one. I know. But those two rice, I'm suspecting one.
Moment of truth. Take your time. Draw your analysis well.
Okay, I should call the results here.
Yes, you're free.
Okay, I guess.
Are you guessing or you're sure?
Okay. The two rice. No say the soup. That one no my wife hand did. And my wife hand no did that soup. My wife hand no did that soup. So the two rice, the first, second. I'm setting a hand on my leg. Who want to strangle me? Please. Babe, sugar, you want to strangle me? Allow me now.
God, the result, you're taking so much time.
Okay, I choose the second one. The second rice I ate. Second one.
The second rice you ate?
Yes.
Is that your final decision? You have to be sure.
Yeah, it's my final.
Is that your final decision?
Yes.
Okay, so at the end of this wonderful section, if you had picked the oha soup,
Okay.
I think it wouldn't be a long section because you would have absolutely been wrong. If you had picked the second one, like you said, you picked the second one. So the second one is what you picked.
Yeah, the second rice I ate.
I'm sorry to bring it to your notice that the correct answer for this very competition is the second one. You can put the blindfold on.
Oh, thank God. At least I will sleep inside now. At least I have escaped strangling.
Yeah.
I've escaped.
Wow. But no, you have to be realistic. How did you know it was the second one?
The two stew were a little suspicious. But I made up my mind. It just I made up my mind that the two stew there are similarities.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just say let me. I asked God's help actually.
So you have your life on the line.
Yes, I say let me. Yes. Wow. These are delicious meals. Yeah.
Wow. So guys, it's been a wonderful time with Mrs. Stephanie and Mr. Caleb.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming. Please beg our followers, tell them to subscribe. People.
Okay. If you are watching this wonderful
If you don't subscribe, me, I'll come and strangle you.
just click on the subscribe button. Just click and follow for better, sweeter challenge and content.
You're begging them. I'm not begging them.
No.
If they don't subscribe, I'll come in there and strangle them.
If you are a single guy, if you subscribe, you go marry this year. If you are married and your marriage no too sweet, if you subscribe, your marriage go sweet. Are you getting my point? So you better do the next four. So some of you girls are watching now, whenever married, are believing God for sweet husband. Babe, you don't enjoy your marriage.
Sweet.
Our life is beautiful. My life is beautiful. So subscribe and tap into the grace. So your marriage goes sweet and beautiful. I don't finish so it's left for you. If you like, subscribe. If you don't like, so if you subscribe, then you're good though. Let's enjoy our
If you don't subscribe, I'll come and strangle you. All of you here.
So I hope I'm not oppressing the singles.
No, you're not.
Subscribe
to
to singles.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes,
you can actually enjoy your meal. You have loads of meals to enjoy.
Hey,
Alright guys, see you on the next one. For now, we say bye to you all.
Yeah, bye.
You guys were trying to be tricky.
I go. My chop will have soup.
You put it in the middle.
I didn't even know. I just saw that.